Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable car mode on Spotify. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Spotify app on your device. Here we go. Now once you are on your Spotify, make sure that you are signed in to your account. Now just at the top right corner of your screen, you can see a gear icon. So simply tap on that gear icon to proceed further. Here we go. Now over here you'll see the option of car. Simply tap on it. Now once you come to this page, you can see the option of car mode and the toggle for this option is turned off. So if you turn on the toggle for this option, you will allow car mode to automatically turn on when Spotify connects to your car's Bluetooth. So let's simply turn on the toggle. Now just at the top you can see the option of car thing. So this is a safety feature by Spotify that allows you a voice-enabled audio player for the car. You just have to say, "Hey Spotify," to get to all your music and podcasts. So if you enable this feature called car thing, you would not have to use your phone to change certain musics and podcasts on your phone. You can just use your voice command. Now if you tap on setup car thing, so once you are here, all you have to do is tap on begin setup. However, one thing that you have to note down is that the car thing feature is only available for Spotify Premium members. So make sure that you have subscription to your Spotify account in order to use this feature. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.